So, I wanted to do a little quick video on these aftermarket headlights. These are the Anzo U-bars. I wanted to do a quick video on how to get the LED bar to be a day runner light. Okay, seems pretty simple, but my truck is a 04 F-150 Lariat Edition 5.4 model, or 5.4 motor I mean. So it does not, like, it has the day runners, but it doesn't have day runners. Like, it's a little weird. So with that being said, I'll show you what I got. As you can see, the lights are not on right now. Key is in my hand. Light switch position is in the off position, just to show y'all I'm not bullshitting. Just to show you no bullshit in what I say. Alright. Let's open it. Let's go in here. Now, for those of you that know what this noise is, shut the fuck up. I got cam phasers already waiting to do it. Now, there you go. You can now utilize your U-bars as your day runner lights. How did I do that, you ask? I simply went to my manual. It took me a while to figure out the right and correct fuse to go to, but I went through literally almost every fuse with the stupid ass pigtail. This little stupid fucking thing. Went through all fuses I could with this damn thing. Fuck that piece of shit. So what I did is I located backup lamp and daytime running lamps, relay coil, AC pressure switch, brake shift interlock solenoid, heated PCV. This only gets power when your key is on and in the started position, or in the run position. Out of all these fuses, this is the only one that I figured out that does that. AC clutch don't do it. PCM 4x4 power don't do it. Radio power don't do it. The fucking radio start signal, nothing. No, it's either always on or nothing at all. So fuse number 14 is your backup lamp and daytime running lamp. Now, this means power when the key is on and started in the run position. So, that being said, we have day running lights. Now what I did not use the pigtail, as you saw. I simply pulled the fuse, flattened out my wire good enough, smashed that bitch in there. You know, I didn't smash it, but I stuck it in there until it actually went and it set. Then I took my fuse and I smashed it on behind it. And we're good. They're LEDs. It's got a 10 amp fuse in there. I really don't think these are going to draw anywhere more than 10 amps, being how big they are and how bright they are. So they're not 6,000 lumens. So we're not going to have that big of an issue with them. So it's not going to hurt your vehicle, not going to blow your shit up, not going to set it on fire. But I did take these headlights, the little wires it has, and I wired it straight to the black wire, went straight to the ground screw on each side of the truck. Black wire, ground screw. Black wire, ground screw. I ran a red wire from this green, ran it under the shroud, back around here, all the way around to that wire nut, to that green wire. The wire nut runs that wire all the way up into the cab of the truck to your fuse box until I'm able to cut a hole and run it better. It goes around standard 90s amp style. It's right back into the firewall, right into the fuse box. Now, I'm gonna pull it off, see what it looks like. Maybe you can get a peek. Bam, Just like that. Stupid fucking simple, guys. Took me goddamn 2 hours to figure this out. You're welcome.